Neuro 2, the premium sound processor from OticonMedical. A sound processor characterized by attention to detail. With carefully crafted features that combine high-quality engineering with high levels of sound quality and usability. Neuro 2 is the smallest behind-the-ear sound processor ever. And just as important, it's slim where it matters, with an organic shape designed to comfortably match the contours of the ear. And in terms of sound quality, Neuro 2 is designed to give your brain the clearest, most intelligible speech signal, even in challenging listening situations, supporting your brain to make sense of sound and reduce listening effort. We call it brain hearing. Brain hearing is made possible by a range of technologies that give your brain the best conditions for understanding sound. This means you spend less effort filling in the sound gaps and have more energy for what's important in your life. Whatever you enjoy doing, the secure fit and robust design of Neuro 2 will stand up to daily wear and tear and support your active lifestyle. For example, with the elegant Neuro 2 swim kit, you can wear Neuro 2 in the water. You can also use the Neuro 2 with the OticonMedical Streamer and Connect Line app to connect to your most important communication devices, without compromising sound quality or battery life. If you wear an Oticon hearing aid with a Neuro 2, you can stream sound to both hearing devices using the same accessories. And because both devices use the same high-performance Inium Sense platform, you can enjoy perfectly balanced hearing, as well as matching style. To make sure the Neuro 2 can deliver the performance you need, it has been extensively tested. In fact, it has achieved an impressive IP68 rating, the highest classification against water and dust. All components in the Neuro 2 are designed for safety and performance. From the lockable battery door that keeps out little fingers, to the thin yet very strong cable, the outstanding battery life, and the voice-activated system check that lets you see if your Neuro 2 is working correctly. Just ask, "How are you?" Available in a wide range of colors, shades, and patterns. Neuro 2 is designed to give you hearing confidence throughout your life.